What's up, homies? It's your boy, Mr. A, doing warm-up number 3. Let's get popping, baby. Let's do this. My best advice on anything we do, okay? Try it out. You guys are way smarter than you think you are. You guys are not Bozo McGee's, though. That is what I may call you sometimes. You guys are geniuses. So if you feel like you are good, go for it. Do you, boo-boo. Do your best, okay? Especially with warm-ups, this should be your guys' turn to just, hey, do everything you know, right? Do front, do the back that's posted on for the day 3, and then just check your answers, okay? You could watch this video, you could check and see if you're doing it right, but you guys are really smart, so that's my advice. Do this by yourself, go over with me if you need be, okay? So let's do this. Okay, number 1. Okay, draw circle X. My least favorite circle, because who likes talking about their X? Am I right? I'm right. Okay, circle X. Okay, so look what we got. We have 2 things, chord AB and diameter BC. So here's what I would do, okay? Both of these have B in them, okay? And there can only be one B, right? There's only one Beyonce. So there can only be one B in this picture. So it doesn't matter how you do it, but you can say, okay, chord AB. AB. Remember, a chord goes from side to side, right? It just touches 2 points on a circle, right? So just connect them, right? So AB. But remember, there can only be one B. You can't just do another BC when there's a B there, right? Because again, there's only one Beyonce. So diameter BC has to be using this. So B through the center, C. That'd be beautiful. Again, doesn't have to look like I did. You could be look like this, or could look like this. It could look like anything. But as long as you have those 2 things, life is good. Okay? Gorgeous. So hopefully you had that for numero uno. I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay. So look at this one. Major arc, right? Major key alert. This is big boy. Okay, this guy is humongous, okay? So when you're doing your major arc, you gotta think it is big, right? It's over 180. It's a big arc, right? Whew, big boy. So same thing, circle X again, of course. Why do I pick these letters? Okay. Circle X. So EFG is a major arc. That means it's bigger than 180. So let's say E is here, EFG, right? F is here, and let's put G down here. Yeah, this is great. Okay, so EFG, major arc. So that means EFG is this, all this, all that, all the way around. Boom. That's that major arc EFG. That's gorgeous. But then this picture also asks for a central angle EXG. Well, EXG would make that angle right there, okay? And you've got everything you need in that picture, okay? Again, yours can always look a little bit different, but it's got to have those same exact ideas. All right, so hopefully you had that too. Zoom out. Okay. Awesome. This is stuff that you guys should be absolute rock stars at, okay? So let's find the area and the circumference of a circle with these ideas, okay? I'm going to do this one. You guys can totally do this one on your own. But again, radius is key. If you don't have radius, you can't do the problem. Because remember, area has a formula for a circle of pi r squared, and circumference has a formula of 2 pi r. Very simple formulas. Make sure you know them. Okay? So in the case of us doing the area is pi of 10 squared. So the area is 100 pi. Got it. Boom. A is 100, right? Boom, 100 pi. Circumference, right, is 2 times pi times r, which is 10. So the circumference, 2 times 10, is 20 pi. Boom. Okay, you found both things you need. Okay? Repeat over here in part B, similar idea, but in this case, you don't want diameter, you want the radius, which is half of that. And you continue the same steps. So you guys should totally be able to do that. I think the area here would be 25 pi, and the circumference would be 10 pi. If you did that correctly, okay? Which I'm sure you guys did because you guys are rock stars. All right, beautiful. 3A, I think this is 3A. Yeah, 3A. Find the area of a circle with circumference 16 pi. Here's the thing, guys. You can't find anything without radius, because area is pi r squared. I don't know what r is. I only gave you circumference, but I did not give you r. So we have to use this to find r, okay? So the key here, I'm gonna use, should I use orange? Yeah, I use pink. Pink is cute, okay? So circumference here, again, is saying that 2 pi r equals 16 pi, right? The circumference equals this. Pi's cancel out. 2r is 16, and your r, or your radius, is really 8, okay? You need to extract that from that statement. And once I do, I can plug that into this. So the area is pi times 8 squared, right? Because the radius was 8. So the area is 64 pi. And you've got it, okay? But again, think about what you have, what you could get from that, and then boom, crank out that problem. Okay? Beautiful. Any questions? That's what I thought. Boom. Get them. Sorry. Okay. I've been talking to myself for like 2 hours, and I feel like I am losing it. So I hope you guys understand. Okay. Next problem. Find the circumference of a circle with the area of 169 pi. So something to remember. Circumference is 2 pi r. Okay? You need r. If you don't have r, you can't buy a car. Okay? That was awful. So the area, pi r squared, is 169 pi. That's the only thing you could get from that. Okay? This will hopefully help me find what r is. Pi's cancel out. You get r squared equals 169. And if I square root, that's nice and cute. Ooh, that's a good line. I should use that more often. R is 13. Okay? And I could then use that in this formula to get 26 pi as my circumference guy. Ooh, my gosh, these bars. I got so many bars. I gotta start rapping or something. Yeah, watch out for those videos too. I'll probably do a math rap in the next couple days because I'm kind of losing it. Hope you enjoy. Let's go to the back. And then last but not least, what we got on this back here, nice and easy central angles and inscribed angles. So luckily what we did the other day with those two worksheets, the inscribed angles, the central angles, there was a lot of hard problems on there. So you guys totally got this in the bag. But here's what I'm going to do. Make sure you're doing this on your own first, then watching this over to see if you know it, okay? But again, nice and easy. Here's a circle. I want to find this arc. What you should do, there's a couple ways to think about it, but you know, diameter splits a circle in half. Half a circle is 180. So that's 135. If that's 135, central angle is the same as the arc. This is 135. Boom. Cash, money, baby. Boom. Okay. Got it. Number 5, same idea. You have a circle. I want to find this arc. What I would do is, you know, that a circle adds up to 360. So if you can find this angle, you could find this. So if I do 360 minus 112 minus 100, okay, that should end up equaling, calculating, 148. That's what this angle is, right? Because we know this equals 360, and therefore this is the same, and it's also 148. Oh gosh, he needs pupils and a nose. And ears. Oh gosh. And some hair. This is me. Hope you like it. Okay. Gorgeous. Okay. 3 more and we're done for now. Okay. Inscribed angles. Remember, inscribed angles are bouncing off the side of a circle. Boom, boom. This one's all over the place, but it's bouncing off the side. Okay. You got to think that the angle, an inscribed angle, is always half of the arc that it makes. So if that's 30, the inscribed angle will be 15. Okay? And again, this is always half of whatever this is. So if this is 50, this would have to be 100. That's 100, sorry, I don't know what the heck this, okay, 100, right? Half of that, okay? Sometimes you need to be a little crafty here, especially number 8 when it's not really as obvious here. But you could see this angle here opens up, and makes this arc. The colors are huge, especially if you're doing this in Notability, this would be huge, okay? You know, from here to here, this is half of a circle based on the diameter. So that arc is 180, which means that this angle is 90. And you've got it, okay? So that's the warm-up. The classwork and the notes are up next in the videos, so make sure you watch those, do your best. You guys rock. Miss y'all. Peace.